Go over the next two topics, that is the random forest and boosting. For random forest, as I mentioned before, the concept is very similar to the back tree. That is, we have doing the subsampling for each of the tree based on the data samples. But what is different is like in random forest, we also random sampling the feature. For example, if we have the feature dimension of 200 and you keep choosing 3 each time, like 3 features each time to build a tree, another 3 features to build a tree, and you do this for maybe, let's say 1,000 times, that means again you will have 1,000 back trees. But this time was different from previously. It's like the set of features that you use to construct the tree, each of the tree is different. So you can no longer try to visualize the relationship between features like this. However, what is enabling here is like, if you happen to select the subset of features that give you a very highly accurate tree, this could mean that, that set of features could be very important. So yes, you can use this to analyze the importance of the input features as well.